Deep sea pressure detected. Unknown life form approaching. Don't run. Is where I hide, cold, violet inside my eyes. You look human when you drown, silent as the void around. Every heartbeat, every breath, I can feel beneath your skin. Fear and fascination blend. You don't know where I begin. Closer now, don't look away. I can taste your nervous waves, falling slowly, sinking deep into something you can't leave. Softly crawling through your mind, pulling every nerve alive. You can try to fight the tide, but you'll only sink tonight. Abyss eyes, abyss eyes, silver glowing endless night. Abyss eyes, abyss eyes. You can run, but you're still mine. Falling into violet skies. Drowning in my abyss eyes. Tentacles beneath my skin, moving where your fears begin. Poison for the ones I hate, pleasure for the ones I crave. I don't kill unless I need. I prefer to watch you breathe. Every trembling little sound makes me wanna pull you down. You're already far too deep, lost inside the dark with me. Every instinct in your veins begging me to stay again. Slowly slipping through your soul, taking every bit control. You can feel your body shake while your sanity decays. Abyss eyes, abyss eyes, silver glowing endless night. Abyss eyes, abyss eyes. You can run, but you're still mine. Falling into violet skies. Drowning in my abyss eyes. Why are you shaking? Are you afraid?